Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. Today is Tuesday, August 3rd, 2020, and a little update, a big update. So a few days ago, the medical community up in Metro Manila was saying, hey, there's too many cases up here. We're too overwhelmed. We need a break. We want Metro Manila to go back under ECQ. So over the weekend, the president and his other staff, they met with the medical community. They met with other cabinet members. And Sunday night, the president, Duterte, decided to place Metro Manila under an MECQ. Basically what Cebu just got off of. They were in Manila, they were getting thousands of cases a day, which is not a good thing. So that started today, the 4th. I think I said today was August 3rd earlier, but today is August 4th. You lose track when it's Groundhog Day every day. So now what that means, just like with Cebu a few weeks ago, what that means is no more public transportation. So all the trains, buses, tricycles all went away as of today in Manila. And even bigger, the no more domestic flights out of Manila. So if you land in Manila from another place, well, too bad, you're stuck in Manila until the MECQ is lifted. There are still a few domestic flights out of Cebu going to Clark and Davao, but there's no way to get to Manila from now until at least August 18th. That's how long the MECQ up there is going to go. The malls, they pretty much had to mostly shut down again. So no more getting haircuts, no more dining in at the restaurants. That all has been eliminated for now. So now it's just going in for the basics. So they're locked down. A lot of people out of work again. A lot of businesses have to close up again. And it was a big deal here in Cebu when that happened, but that's even a bigger deal in Manila. I mean, that's like telling New York City to shut down. Which if that happened, or telling them Los Angeles to shut down, if either two of those things happened, that would be a big impact on the economy. So most of the economy in the Philippines is what happens in Metro Manila. So that's a big deal. Here in Cebu, this is day 4 of the GCQ. As you can see here, the taxis are back out. There is a lot more traffic out now. A lot more traffic. So it's not a good thing. A lot of people think that a general community quarantine means you can do anything you want, but you're still supposed to stay home for the most part. Just go out for the essential stuff. But a lot of people, they don't listen. And who knows, maybe September 1st, Cebu will be back on ECQ again if the case numbers go way up. So it's kind of a balance, I guess. So the rest of the Philippines, they're doing okay. Vietnam, the cases are still going up. So there's still issues there. In Saigon, the new rules starting today, I believe, or tomorrow, is that face masks are required again. They kind of let people slide without masks because there weren't cases for almost 100 days. But now the masks are back. They're trying to get some foreigners out of Da Nang. They're trying to arrange some, sorry about the wind, guys. They're trying to arrange some evacuation flights from Da Nang to either Saigon or Hanoi. But the problem with that is once you get to Saigon or Hanoi, they're making you quarantine for 14 days. So yeah, you can get out of Da Nang, but then you gotta quarantine again. So I'm not sure I would want to do that. Maybe I would want to just stay in Da Nang until this thing lifts. But some people, they're desperate to get out, desperate to get home. So with that being the case, well, you gotta do what you gotta do. Hong Kong, cases are still going up, but not as much as they were last week, which is great. Singapore and Malaysia, they're opening their border between each other for workers, essential workers. So that is a positive step. So things are, I don't know what you can say. They're opening, they're closing, they're opening again and closing again. So not the best scenario in the world, but it can be worse. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update because for the people in Metro Manila, this is a big deal. So it screwed up a lot of people's plans of getting out of the Philippines and coming into the Philippines. But for now, if you're in Cebu and you need to get out of the Philippines, Qatar Airways has a flight, I think 3 flights a week out of the Philippines. So if you need to get out, there's your chance. That's it for now. Again, sorry about the wind, guys, but I can't control that. I use an iPhone 11 to record these videos, so it is what it is. Thanks again to all my subscribers, all 2,040 of you. I appreciate you all. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're watching, please click my channel logo at the bottom of the screen and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell and you'll get updates whenever I have a new video out. So for Asia Unscripted, this is Jason. I want everybody to keep safe out there, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Thank you.